channel. So this is going to be a quick video, and not even, I'm not going to say it's not going to be a professional video, but it's not going to be my usual video with all the bells and whistles. This is just going to be a shop update for you all. I don't really want to call this like a studio vlog, but can I? I don't know. Anyhow, I'm just wanted to share some items that are going to be dropping into my Etsy shop this coming Friday. What is today? Tuesday. So 3 more days. And I'm so excited because I think you all are really going to enjoy them. So the first thing is what I'm wearing. It says small business owner. So yes, I will be selling some apparel pieces. Apparel. And this is one of them. So this is going to be for anyone who has a small business. I like this font. What is that? Just because it's like small and dainty, but you can still read it, and very simple. I like simple. So that is one design. The next thing is this one, and this one says CEO Million. So that's going to be something else that you can get on your shirt. And then this one, this is going to be for like all my YouTubers. This one says content creator. So if you do videos, or if you're a content creator, this shirt is for you. I don't know why I'm stumbling over my words. But yeah, so these are going to be the 3 sayings that are going to be available. And then like these 3 colors are 3 of the options that you have as far as colors. There's some other ones that will be available as well. I can't remember off the top of my head how many in general, but I want to say, where's my iPad? I don't have time for that. I want to say there's maybe like 6, something like that. Anyhow, the next thing is sweatshirts. Now I know we're already like well into winter, but if you're like me, you probably can find yourself wearing sweatshirts almost all year round, especially if you're inside and you live with someone who may want to keep it cold, and then you wear a sweatshirt. So here's what the CEO Million looks like on the sweatshirt, and this is in black. And then this sweatshirt has small business owner on it. I like this color. This is the color sand. So sweatshirts is just going to be black or sand for the time being. If there's like a color sweatshirt that you would like to see, please leave it below. I didn't want to go too crazy with sweatshirt colors because I have found most people like neutrals. I'm not opposed to colors, I just didn't want to go too overboard. So the next thing that you can get on a shirt, if you're not a business owner or you're not a CEO of anything or a content creator, I have this shirt, which just says girl boss building her empire, which I thought was really nice. I'm here to empower other women. I also have a sticker like this that is already available in my Etsy shop, and I'm also going to be selling these tote bags, which I think are so cute, and it says the same thing, girl boss building her empire. Now a bonus, this is another tote. I actually uploaded my image onto teespring.com, and this is actually the color of my sticker. So I wanted to see what it would look like on a tote bag in color, and I actually like it in color. Plus this tote bag is thicker, so it's just made better. But these are cool too. If you're looking for like something simplistic, then I would go with this. This is just like your everyday tote bag, but this is like something that you can take on like little mini trips and such. So I may leave a link for the Teespring. If that's what you guys want, leave it in the comment section below, because again, I just didn't want to do too much. So only had this and something else made for my personal use. I also got this mug made Teespring as well. It says girl boss building her empire. Excuse me. So yeah, if you guys want these 2 items, like, let me know. I'll leave a Teespring below. I'm out of breath. I don't even know why. and we'll just kind of go from there. So like I said, all these items will be dropping onto my Etsy shop on Friday. I also need to mention that this is going to be a pre-sale, and it's going to be pre-sale just because I didn't want to buy like a bunch of different shirts in a bunch of different sizes and, you know, have all this inventory for no reason, because this is my first time having any type of apparel. So I just wanted to do it as a pre-sale just to see how it does, and then I'll just go from there. What else? I'm going to be offering sizes small to a 4X. I wanted to make sure I didn't exclude anyone, so small to 4X will be available. And is that it? I think that is about it. So yeah, I apologize for this video not being like my usual, but I wanted to make sure that I updated everyone on my YouTube channel just so you know that what's coming. Also, another way for you all to find out what I'm working on, because I don't always film, I work full time, so sometimes I come home and I just sit here after being on my feet for like 8 or 9 hours. Like, no. Follow me on my Instagram handles. I'll leave those linked in the description box below, because again, those are the platforms, or that particular platform, Instagram, is what I typically use the most to talk about some things that I am working on, so you can find me there. And yeah, I think I covered everything. I'm so excited. And yeah, if I say and yeah one more time, that's all I have for you guys. Leave me a comment below if you're excited, or if you plan on purchasing anything. I would love to hear. And also, please leave me comments below of any other colors that you may be interested in, because I'm not opposed to it. I did at first, I'm gonna leave after this, but I wanted to like get the shirt colors for my shop colors, because I was like, oh, that's cute, you know, keep it, you know, the same. But then I saw some other colors and I was like, oh, that would be cute on a shirt. So I went ahead and just added those. I'm out of breath as well. But that is all. I promise that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you thumb it up, subscribe if you haven't already, and like I said, follow me on Instagram so you can keep up with everything that I'm doing. And that's about it. Until next time, I will see you guys later. I'm so excited for Friday. Bye, guys.